Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of The Birdman, and today we're going to be checking out the amazing looking golden pheasant. The male golden pheasant can be easily identified with its plumage's rainbow of colors, including reds, blues, blacks, greens, browns, oranges, and of course the fiery yellow golden color it is named for. The female is a lot more drab, with brown mottling, barring, and patterns covering most of her body. The golden pheasant can be found natively in central China in its preferred habitats, including dense forests, sparse undergrowth, and woodlands. This bird's diet consists of a variety of things, including grubs, berries, seeds, leaves, some flower species, shoots and shrubs, and many other types of vegetation. Now for some facts. Did you know that the golden pheasant is generally a solitary species, of course, outside of the breeding season? They are also capable of flight, but are not the best, being quite awkward when they decide to take to the air. And finally, to wrap up this episode, we have this bird's call, which sounds similar to a raspy chicken, and also a variety of boops and other sounds. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Hank the Bird.